Welcome back to another tutorial by BlueSteam. I'm Brett, and today I'll be teaching you how to reset your password for your client area. The first thing we need to do is access the website by going to www.bluesteam.net. Once the site loads, you'll need to click the menu item at the top called Client Area. This will then bring you to the login page, where you'll find the Forgot Password button. Before you can continue the password reset process, you will need to have the registered email address that you used when signing up with BlueSteam. So to start the process, simply click the Forgot Password button. Go ahead and enter the registered email address on file and click the Submit button. Now at this point you'll be presented with a security question. This question was asked of you when you signed up with BlueSteam. It's a personal question and is there for security reasons. This question makes sure that you are the owner asking for a password reset, and only you will know the answer to the question. So go ahead now and enter the correct response and then hit the Submit button. This is where the password reset process has begun. The system has sent you a validation email to confirm that you would like to actually reset your password. Typically you should allow for a few minutes for the email to arrive. Once the email has arrived, go ahead and open it. The email contains a link that you need to click in order to proceed to reset your password. As you enter the password, there will be a password strength indicator to tell you how strong your new password is. You can take a look at the tips section in order to help you to choose a strong password. To make sure that you have not mistyped your password, you'll need to confirm your new password. Now that you have chosen a new password, go ahead and click Save Changes. You have now successfully reset your password. At this point, you can use your new password to log into your client area. If you're not sure how to log into your client area, simply click the link in the description below to follow our tutorial on how to log into your client area. Thank you for watching, and if you enjoyed this tutorial, please remember to subscribe to the channel and hit that bell button to be notified of future tutorials.